Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So first of all, I would like to thank my teacher, Ponche Zunaida, for giving me a great opportunity to make this short video. Thank you so much, teacher. So, anyone knows what is this video is about? Any ideas, guys? Okay, let me tell you. Okay, this video is about the human lymphatic system. Okay, besides the blood circulatory system, I'm going to share you guys regarding the human lymphatic system. Okay, in this topic we will learn about the formation of tissue fluid. Okay guys, here we goes with the formation of tissue fluid. Okay, for further informations you may refer to your textbook at page 189. Okay, first of all, the tissue fluid is known as interstitial fluid. Okay, interstitial fluid. Okay, this diagram shows the exchange of substance between our blood capillary and the body cells. As you guys see, the left hand side of the paper shows the oxygenated blood at high pressure at the artery, and the right hand side shows the deoxygenated blood at a low pressure in our vein. Okay, the others are the lymphatic capillary, tissue fluid, body cells, blood plasma, blood capillary, and all those things. Okay, to make you guys understand much more easier, I've used two keys, which is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Okay, the red arrow shows the oxygenated blood, while the blue arrow shows the deoxygenated blood. Okay. First, as we all know, our artery, which is the end of the blood capillary, carries oxygenated blood at high pressure due to two factors, which is the small diameter of the artery and the pumping force of the heart. Okay, this high pressure causes the oxygenated blood of the blood plasma to diffuse continuously from the blood capillaries to the intercellular spaces. Okay, then the blood plasma that occupies the intercellular spaces will bathe the cell, which is the tissue fluid. Okay, the one bathes the cell is known as tissue fluid. Okay, and then for your info, this tissue fluid does not contain erythrocyte, platelets, and plasma protein because all these components are too large to diffuse out from the blood capillaries. Okay, and then what is the function of this tissue fluid? Yes, the tissue fluid allows the exchange of materials in the blood and cells to occur. Okay, and then the nutrients and the oxygen diffuse from the tissue fluid to our body cells, from the tissue fluid to our body cells. Okay, at the same time, the excretory products, means the end product or the product that is excreted, and the carbon dioxide will be diffused from our body cells to blood capillaries through the tissue fluid, from the body cells to blood capillary through the help of the tissue fluid. Okay, and then it will come out as a deoxygenated blood at a low pressure. Okay, that's all. Let me repeat back the story of our formation of tissue fluid. Okay, first of all, the tissue fluid is known as interstitial fluid. Okay, here we goes. As we all know, our artery carries the oxygenated blood at high pressure. Why high pressure? Because the small diameter of the artery and the pumping force of our heart causes the oxygenated blood to be at the high pressure. Okay, this high pressure causes our oxygenated blood or the blood plasma to diffuse continuously from the blood capillary to the intercellular spaces. Okay, blood plasma that occupies the intercellular spaces and constantly bathes cells is called tissue fluid. Okay, again, blood plasma that occupies the intercellular space and it will constantly bathe cells is called tissue fluid. Okay, for your info guys, this tissue fluid does not contain erythrocyte or the red blood cell as well as the platelets and blood plasma. the plasma protein, because all these components, which are the erythrocyte, plasma protein and the platelets, are too large to be diffused out from the blood capillary. That's why our tissue fluid does not contain all those components. Okay. And then, what is the function of this tissue fluid? Okay, tissue fluid allows the exchange of materials in the blood and cells to occur, from the blood to cells. Okay, and then the nutrients and oxygen can be diffused from the tissue fluid to our body cells. At the same time, excretory products, or the products that has been excreted from our body, and the carbon dioxide from the body cells to blood capillary, from body cells to the blood capillary through the help of the tissue fluid. Okay, it means that the tissue fluid helps our body to expel the excretory products and carbon dioxide from our from our body cells to the blood capillary, and then our vein will carry the deoxygenated blood at a low pressure. Okay, that's all regarding the formation of our tissue fluid or the formation of interstitial fluid. So I hope that you guys understand. That's all for now. Thank you guys.